Watch this.
Holy crap!
We got a new revision, so we're gonna go take the TL and do some pulls, or a pull, or something. I don't know. I think he said in the note that I read to do actually like a wide open throttle pull from like 3,000 to 5,000 RPM or something like that. In the C63, watching the game. Now we got to do a third gear wide open throttle pull from 2,000 RPM to 5,000 RPM. Let's see what happens. I didn't know there'd be a limiter there. I thought I was just lift at 5,000. Okay, that was a scary limiter to run into. So just expect a hard cut. I don't know why. I didn't think there was a limit before. Maybe there's like a boost threshold. I don't know. I have no idea. I didn't know there was going to be a limiter there. I thought it would just let off at 5,000 RPM. So be prepared for the limiter. It comes in pretty hot. This thing sounds nuts. It's crazy when you hear it start to get into boost. I'll call it a success though. It's not blown up. I'm actually low on fuel, so that's probably a dumb idea with low fuel. Cool. I'll send that over to Derek, get another revision, and we should be good to go. I'm gonna stop doing that. I'm done with that. What's going on, guys? It's another day. It's actually finally feeling like spring here. I just booked an appointment to get some paintwork done to this thing. It looks good online and everything, but there are a few like rough spots in the paint and on the body and everything, so sorry everybody. I want to get everything ready for the season, like kind of summer season, because the car's never been as clean as I want it to be. We're gonna get the rear fenders patched because there's just like some corrosion on it, and it looks awful. The black hides it really well, but it needs to be replaced, so that's cool. And then we're going to be doing the front bumper, which is nice, because the front bumper needs Jesus. It is horrendous. It's almost satin at this point, to be honest with you. There's really no clear left. Excited to get that done, and then, you know, maybe I'll start bringing it to more like meets and everything, because I'll be happier with how it looks. Let's get this tune uploaded. We're all good. I'm just gonna start it. It was already warm, so not a cold start. Every revision, the car feels noticeably smoother, drivability wise. Can't imagine tuning drivability over, you know, e-tune kind of files like remote tuning. I just got a 6th revision. We're gonna do kind of the same thing as before. Another 2,000 to 5,000 RPM pull, wide open throttle. Next revision, we'll likely add VTEC back in and you know, some higher revs. So that's exciting. And you know, I'll probably put this video out before that, just to give you guys an update. Like I said, I hate going a long time without uploading, but I need to fix the brakes, man. I'm gonna go get gas because quarter tank now reads no range. Big fuel pump stuff, big injector stuff, so let's get it. When I do the wide open throttle pull, I'll just put another GoPro like out off to the side or whatever on the side of the road, and then see what it sounds like from outside, because I've never heard it, to be honest. Brakes are killing me, man. I just finished up the highway logs, and I'm gonna go get that water throttle pull, so I will film that. Set a GoPro up right here. Let's get this wide open throttle log, see what happens. Alright, well, I'm gonna send this over to Derek and see what we do from here. Filming some random clips of this thing for TikTok. I don't know what I'm doing. I got bored. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, just follow me there, because I post random stuff. I don't know if any of this will make it to the channel, but C63 content's always good, right? Damn, man, it just doesn't look as cool in pictures as it does in real life. I don't know what it is. It doesn't look as white, and wheels don't look as bright. I don't know. Probably gonna finish this one off here. I wanted to get more wide open throttle pulls for you guys, but that'll probably come next revision when we're trying to make power and whatnot. You know, obviously I'm gonna keep making videos of the TL, but we do have the Turbo Z build coming up whenever the kit gets here, and I think we're gonna add back VTEC and more RPM next revision, so look forward to that. Oh, by the way, the channel got monetized this week, so that's sick. I love making videos regardless, even if I wasn't getting paid before. I still had fun making videos and whatnot, but I guess subscribe, you know, if you want to see the builds get crazier. If the channel really starts taking off towards the Z build, then I'll full send that thing. I mean, I'm kind of going to anyways, but any profits from this are going right back into the channel. I'm super excited that you guys even want to subscribe. I don't know, it's the coolest thing in the world to me. I have so much fun making these videos, man. It's a long shot from being a career right now, but really appreciate you guys. I wish I could meet all of you, to be honest, and just hang out, and you know, hopefully I'll meet some of you this summer. I don't know if you guys are in the area, but you know, it's the coolest thing in the world to me. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned. You know, we're gonna be doing power pulls next, so see you then.